Since I've been gone, you had your number changed. But my love for you, girl, still remains the same. Now I've been loving you, and you've been loving me so long. Baby, 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 you can have my private number. Baby, 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 you can have my private number. I'm sorry you couldn't call me when you got home, but other fellas keep calling me whilst you were gone. So I had the number changed, so I'm not acting strange. Welcome home, nothing's wrong. Baby, 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 you can have my private number. Baby, 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 you can have my private number. Please let me have your private number. Baby, 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 nothing's wrong.